In 1942, Dr. Howard Caton created the cloth soft silks, and there's been many versions around the globe. Throughout almost 83 years of existence, I want to pay a tribute to this classic of children's and family magic. There's been many versions around the globe, and I wanted to contribute with my own ideas and also my own method to perform this incredible magic trick. I love comedy, and in this version everything goes wrong with the props and the magician, but still the magic is very strong. The items will magically morph into a different object, and best of all, at the end you get to show the box empty. I hope and I wish you enjoy a lot performing Crazy Washing Machine.